Welcome to the Kentucky Automated Permitting System, also known as KAPS, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through navigating the shopping cart at kyautomatedpermitsystem.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the User Training Resources link. Once a permit application has been approved by a state user or has been self-issued by KAPS, the permit will be available for purchase in the shopping cart. Approved permits will remain in the shopping cart until midnight of the day they are valid for. Permits not purchased by midnight of the start date will be given a status of no payment. These permits will no longer be available for purchase and a new application will need to be submitted. The shopping cart can be accessed from either the shopping cart link in the administrative panel or in the shopping cart panel using the Go to Shopping Cart link. The shopping cart panel is located in the company dashboard and provides a summary of all permits in your shopping cart awaiting payment. The shopping cart link provides detailed information regarding permits available for purchase. To purchase permits in your shopping cart from the shopping cart panel, click the Go to Shopping Cart link. The shopping cart screen will be displayed. From this screen, you can click the View Permit button to view the permit details or the Cancel Permit button to cancel the permit. Click the Select checkbox for each individual permit to be purchased, or check the Select All checkbox to select all permits in the shopping cart. The Total panel will display the total dollar amount for the permits selected for payment. To pay for the permits selected, click the Checkout button. The Permit to be Authorized screen will be displayed. Click the Process Payment button or click the Cancel and Go Back button to return to the company dashboard. If the Process Payment button is selected, a confirmation will be displayed. Click the Confirm button to complete the payment or the Cancel button to exit without making the payment. If the Confirm button is selected, you will be redirected to the online payment processor site to complete the payment. Once the payment has been completed, the permit ID and permit number will be listed. Clicking the View PDF icon will open the permit PDF. The permit will be additionally delivered to you via the delivery method chosen during the permit application process. From this screen, the user can return to the dashboard. A permit with no fees will be sent to the shopping cart once approved, but will not be considered issued until the permit is printed. To print a no-charge permit, click the shopping cart link in the administrative panel, or select the Go to Shopping Cart link in the shopping cart panel. Permits with no fees will be listed in the No Charge panel on the shopping cart screen. Check the Select checkbox for each no-charge permit, or check the Select All checkbox to select all no-charge permits in the shopping cart. Click the Checkout button. The Permit to be Authorized screen will be displayed. Click the Print Permits button. A confirmation will be displayed. Click the Confirm button to print the permit PDF, or click the Cancel button to exit without printing. The permit is now considered issued. The permit ID and permit number will be listed. Clicking the View PDF icon will open the permit PDF. The permit will be additionally delivered to you via the delivery method chosen during the permit application process. From this screen, the user can return to the dashboard. This concludes the KAPS user tutorial video on navigating the shopping cart. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.